Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a double Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you. These two items were on my 2021 wish list if you saw that on Instagram. I'm really excited. I've never seen these in person. They just arrived, so I'm going to get right into the unboxing just because I'm really excited to see them. So they came in the bag, and she also included a small bag for the smaller item. And receipt, I will share pricing after, and my SA also sent some perfume samples, which was really nice. These are the ones she sent. I think this might be the new one, I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, let's get into it. So this first item is an SLG. And here's the dust bag to reveal. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is a Victorine wallet in the new Empreinte leather with the giant monogram. And this is in the cream color. Oh, it's so nice. Made in France. I've owned a couple of Victorine wallets and ended up selling both of them. I just hadn't found the right one for me yet, and this one is so beautiful. I love the style. The last two I owned, I ended up selling for whatever reason, but this one I absolutely love. The color is so pretty. Okay, so this will give you a hint as to what the bigger item is. You know, I love matching sets, so let's get right into the bigger item, which is a bag. Okay, I'm really excited for this one. Okay, so that's a little note from my essay, which was really nice. So here is the dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. To reveal my new Pochette Métis in, again, the new Empreinte leather in the giant monogram. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks. I ordered it from my SA and it finally came in. I love the Pochette Métis. I have the reverse monogram and the monogram one. The reverse monogram one is one of my most used bags, and when the Pochette Métis first came out in Empreinte leather, when it was very first released, I bought the pink, and I bought it before I'd even really seen it. I just ordered it, and I was really disappointed in the lining of it. It was that striped fabric lining, and I just didn't like it as much as the microfiber lining. It didn't feel as luxurious. So I was really happy when they switched to the microfiber lining. So this one is the cream microfiber lining. Let me just get these tags out. And it is so beautiful. Yeah, it's just so much nicer with the microfiber lining. And my bag, my essay did tell me, is made in France. If you can see that. And it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so here's the information in case you are looking for it. Yeah, I need to make this short because I'm in the middle of my workday, but I just couldn't wait to unbox this. So here is the strap, the usual Pochette Métis strap. Very soft when it's in the Empreinte leather, a lot less stiff than the canvas. Yeah, I absolutely love this. I did a poll on Instagram a while ago trying to decide whether to get this or the Vanity case, or Vanity PM, I forget what it's called. It was split down the middle. It was literally 50-50. I don't know, for some reason Vanity cases, can't quite get past the fact that they look like actual vanity cases, like makeup bags, cosmetic bags. Like, I do think they look cute, but I just don't want to feel like I'm wearing a cosmetics bag, if that makes any sense. But I do see the appeal. Like, I did consider getting this print in that style, but at the end of the day, I prefer flat bags over zippers, and I know that zipper would annoy me. So I know I love the Pochette Panty style, so I went with that. And yeah, I just think this is such a cute little set. So I'm going to share pricing information in Canadian, of course. So the bag was $3,300 and the wallet was $970. So both plus tax. So that is my quick unboxing for today. Let me know what you think. Do you like this new collection? I love this color. It's so pretty. Yeah, so let me know what you think, and I'm gonna end the video here because I need to get back to work. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. If you like this type of video and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much again, and have a great day.